Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me featuring Nadula hair, and I have worked with this company numerous times, so I am quite experienced with their different hair bundle deals, textures, wigs, and all of that type of thing. So definitely check out the links in my description. But yes, I am rocking their Brazilian body wave hair. I have 20, 24, 22, and a 20-inch closure, and I did make it into a wig, and the density isn't too full, but it's full enough. Lengthwise on me, it's like kind of past my boobs, so not super long but long enough. I did wash the hair and I let it air dry, and I did sleep with it, and it's been fine. I do get minimal shedding, no tangling yet, but just the minimal shedding, which you should expect with units. So I am going to talk about the hair more in depth at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stay to watch that. But other than that, check out the links in my description if you guys are interested in this hair, and let's just get into the video. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a chit chat get ready with me. As you guys can see, he gets so excited from his show. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be collaborating with Nadula hair. So the wig that I'm wearing, it is by them, and I will, get more into detail once I style it. This is the box that they sent it in. This is always the packaging it comes in. It did include a wig cap, so thank you guys so much. So right now you guys can't really see the hair, obviously, because it's like in pin curls, and that's because I tried to do a pin curls. I swear I've never done it. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did change, and this is all, everything when it's completely done. Makeup, hair, all that. So the curls, not really sure how to feel about them, but they weren't really what I expected for me to have. Bryson. Let me close my door. They weren't really what I expected to get after sitting for 2 hours with the pins in my hair, but I just probably didn't do it right. I didn't even use any hairspray, so probably, I don't know, I'll just keep attempting until I get it right. But yes, this is the finished look. Makeup is done, hair is done, so let's talk about this hair. So the hair that I got is from Nadula hair, and this is a hair company that sells different virgin hair. They have bundle deals, they have wigs, single bundles, closures, frontals, things like that. And I have worked with this company, I'd say maybe, I can't even really remember, but it has been a lot. Before I got pregnant, while I was pregnant, and after, and recently in the summer. So I have worked with them quite a bit this year and last year. So I have had wigs from them, I've had bundles and closures and frontals, all the above. I've never had colored hair or blonde hair from them, but I've always had dark colored hair. So any of that, I've had it really curly, straight, body wave, kind of had really every texture. Not every when it comes to wig, because there are some kinky wigs and stuff like that, but this company is very phenomenal what they do. So shipping, it took about 3 days. It got to me really, really fast, so I appreciate that. It always comes in under about 4 or 5 days, so I never have a problem with the shipping at all. This is the box the hair came in. It just says Nadula hair. They did include a wig cap, so thank you guys so much. They are really nice. They have great customer service, and I just all over love this company. So let's talk about the hair that I'm wearing. The hair that I'm wearing, it is their body wave, and I have in 20, 22, 24, and a 18-inch closure, I believe. If it's wrong, I'll just fix it in the description. It is their body wave hair. So I have washed this hair. I have worn it wet and let it air dry, and the curl pattern is nice. What the fuck? I don't even know what I was saying. So the hair hasn't given me any problems. It's been perfectly fine. I did sleep with this wig once, shouldn't have, but I did make it from the closure and bundles, and I used hot glue, and I'd say it holds a curl really, really good, but the way that I curled this hair, it just was not right. I don't know what I did wrong, but I totally messed up, so that has nothing to do with them. I have gotten some shedding, and it's been minimal. Expect that. Don't expect these units to just come with no shedding, because it's not gonna happen. So definitely check Nadula hair out. They do have different textures. Personally, I have had their body wave, straight, and curly, and I haven't really had any issues with any. Body wave hair usually waves up when it gets wet. Straight hair might wave up when it air dries, and curly, of course, is gonna get curlier when it gets wet. But from my experience, I've never had a problem with their frontals balding or anything crazy like that, and I've kept the hair for multiple months at ends, and I've given the hair to people and they haven't had any problems with it. So thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out in the description. I will have all the bundles and, you know, links that I got in there. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.